The noises I'm hearing, well, wood certainly wouldn't protect from any of that. Folks, we've just seen some Jurassic Park vehicles, and it sounds like some of the creatures from the Jurassic Park series have escaped containment. I'd like to welcome you back to a little island off the coast of Costa Rica.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
That's right, we're passing through some wildlife territory. So not only celebrate our 60th anniversary, but also Jurassic just celebrated its 30th anniversary, coming up on the 31st. Over to your right-hand side, we've got a new T-Rex on the lineup, and in some of these empty cages, we've got some very friendly-looking creatures. Now, these velociraptors are totally safe inside these cages. They're also on top of some picture cars from the Jurassic trilogy, like a boat used in the Lost World Jurassic Park. And over to your your left-hand side, that is the mobile lab from the same movie. Now, the last time we saw the mobile lab on screen, it was being pushed off of a cliff by some very upset T-Rex parents. So thankfully, all the wildlife here in the area has been caged. Again, they are really intelligent creatures. But I'll tell you something, they just love music, folks. So, speaking of that, folks, remain calm. These guys can smell your fear. There's only one surefire way to calm these lizards down, and that's with a little bit of disco. Just like that, folks, we didn't even have to sing to them or anything. We made it through our second dinosaur attack of the day. But with that dinosaur attack in mind, I'd like to